Hello again. Today we're going to be unboxing another one of the Apple Airpods. I got the version 2 which had the charging case, and this is the version 2 without the charging case. I picked them up because the original version ones that I had were starting to lose battery life, and the battery life wasn't very good and the sound quality was starting to fail. But I had them from the original time, so as you can see, these ones are October 2019, so they are indeed the version 2, and they have just a normal charging cable in the box instead of wireless charging, which is also good because the wireless charging case didn't even come with a cable, which I was quite disappointed about, because I don't usually use wireless charging for the AirPods anyway. Right, so let's just have a look, see what you get in the box. Eventually. Right, there we go. Right, so in the top here we've got the usual documentation, quick start guide, warranty papers, and of course no stickers, unfortunately. Right, so inside we've got the AirPods case, and under here we have the charging cable. Nice new lightning cable, always very useful. Lightning cables have changed over the years, they last much longer than they did originally, which is always good. Right, it looks like it's got a sticker on the bottom there, and again it says October 2019. I've never seen a sticker on them before. Not quite sure why that is. Right, so this one's got the stainless steel on the back here, or the chrome look, whereas you've got the matte finish, and that's like an alloy, whereas the other one is stainless steel. Because it's not got a charging case, so it's okay to use the stainless steel on it. And you've got the little green light inside, which is a throwback to the original ones. Right, let's just pair them up and see how quickly they can pair up. There we go, that was very fast. And they're in the 76% as usual. Okay, where are they? Right, okay, they've already been named. They named themselves by the looks of things, because I had another pair before. Right, so let's just go into there and we'll rename them. There you go. And that's something you're not able to do when you buy the replica or the clone AirPods. You can't rename them to whatever you like. The genuine ones you always can. These ones I got from my friend over at Zoibien, and I'm not quite sure how much they were. I think they were about 3 million Vietnam dong. He gave me a good deal on them anyway. Right, so here we go. No, connect the wrong ones. Right, there. So you've got left, right, Siri. Right, so that's it really. I just wanted to unbox them and show you what you got in the box of these ones, because I hadn't done it previously. They're still good, most comfortable. The expensive ones that they do, the AirPods Pro, they are very, very good on an aeroplane, a bus, a train, or on a long car journey. But they are not very comfortable, and I don't tend to use them in everyday use. I only use them when I need to have either privacy or when I'm on an aeroplane. So I use these most of the time, and I have 2 pairs so that when they run out I can continue using them without waiting, even though they don't take very long to charge. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.